Hey everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel, Living the Country Life with Thomas Collins. Today I'm here at my house. I'm going to pressure wash my work truck, the white Chevrolet I drive all the time. And I might do some spray painting if it doesn't get dark and it dries. The water dries up and I can paint it. So let's get started. And I just want to say one thing before we get started, is that I appreciate every one of y'all watching, liking and subscribing, leaving the comments. I appreciate it. Thank you. Let's get to it. Alright, let me show you the truck here up close. I got to get me a new grill. I just ain't had the money to get it. The extra money to get it. They're around like $150, 100 to 150. This is the grill. I need to get me a new one. It's not too bad. You know, it could be worse. I'm gonna spray paint the whole truck back white when it's good conditions. Hopefully I can get a little bit done. But all this mud, alright, I'm gonna get the pressure washer out, check the oils and fill it up with gas and get her start pressure washing. Which right here is my pressure washer. Let's get started. Let's get started in here. Yeah. Good. Yes. Right, so try to up. Put it on. Alright, let's see if she cranks up. Good, cool. Get it on. Get it on. That's one side pressure washed. Alright, I'm going to get some pressure washing done. Alrighty, everybody, we got a little more done. I'm going to shut the pressure washer off. There we go, nice and quiet. Got this whole side pressure wash, but the top of the truck, the roof, I didn't get. Or this back wheel. I gotta get that. But the whole side, what you see is what you get. That's the paint. It's stained. Got half the other side done. I don't want to take too much more daylight up. I want to see if I can get some painting done. Over the last 6 months or 7-8 months, I've sanded on here a little bit at a time with some heavy grit. And then I went over it with some light grit to smooth it out. So it's pretty much ready to go. Maybe a little primer in some spots and then paint it. And then you can see where I have sanded it and got to bare metal and it started rusting. Right here. I gotta sand that rust out of there. Some other spots haven't started rusting, like these are to the bare metal. All these little spots here. A couple of them have started rusting a little bit up there. This is this old work truck I was blessed with. I've put a couple motors in it. That's about it. Keep on driving her. Alright, I'm gonna let it dry out. Air dry, and I'm gonna get to shaking some cans of paint. I'll show y'all some cans of paint here in a minute. Here's the paint. Right here, I don't know if you can see it. It's gloss, Rust-Oleum. Hopefully it works good. Leave in the comments if you had any luck with using this paint. Gotta let it dry a little more. And go from there. Yep. I did get a little bit of this side pressure washed, half of it. Didn't mess with the back. Just the front door and the front fender and the front rim. This side's all dirty still. Alright, I'm going to shake some of this can up some more. Gotta shake this paint up dang well. No, it doesn't operate right. Coming along pretty good. This is just like the very first coat, kind of like the primer coat. Did the front fender and half the door here. Yes, I am painting the chrome strips white. That right there, that chrome strip that used to be chrome, and the black molding. I might end up taking that off. I don't know yet. But this is the first coat. I didn't sand that. Just spray paint it, checking, seeing how it's going to cover. That's just one coat. And it still needs to dry a little more. See, there's some water right down there. I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish pressure washing the rest of it. And paint it tomorrow. This is just like a little test spot. I think it's going to look good when it's done. Start pressure washing this beast. Alright, we're going to get the pressure washer started and pressure wash this whole thing. I should have did it to begin with, but I was really wanting to paint, and it doesn't look like I'm going to get to paint. Because it's getting dark, plus it's windy. So, I'm going to do this. Watch me pressure wash. Gas, done pressure washing anyways. Woo! Get me a towel, wipe off a little wet. Alright, check it out. It looks 80% better with just it pressure washed. This is an old 1994 Chevrolet Z71 1500 4-wheel drive. TBI, small block Chevy 350 with a 4L60E automatic transmission. Moto metal rims, 17-inch with some mud terrain tires. I think they're 32s. This is where I painted. I just went ahead and pressure washed it. Probably gonna have to sand that there, a little bit down here. I'm definitely gonna have to sand that spot. If tomorrow's a good hot day, I'm gonna paint her tomorrow. But yeah, I'd love to get me a new grill sooner than later. This one looks rough. But anyways, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment with any ideas you may have. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.